Part 9, the handover. The installer is the last person on site who can ensure that the operator is correctly installed and that the system can be operated safely. Moving gates can cause serious injury and even death, so please make sure that the customer knows how to operate the system and understands the safety features. Never assume the end user knows how to safely operate automatic gates. Obviously, children and pets may not be allowed to play near the gates. Ensure that the end user knows how to operate the manual release mechanism. Show how the obstruction detection and other safety features work. Finally, ensure that the customer is in possession of the user guide. If you have any problems with your installation, please remember that our engineers are always available to give you sales support, installation training, and answers to any technical questions or installation problems you might have. Our contact details are on the cover of your DVD and on the back page of your installation manual. Thank you for watching.